The question I think most people want to know is one of these more powerful than the other. So I'm going to test that out right now, and then I'm going to talk about the other differences between the 100 and the 200. Let's go ahead and start with the 100 on full speed. We'll measure in grams and we'll measure for 1 minute. 126. All right, so we ended up at 77 at the 1 minute mark, started at about 126. Let's try out the 200. All right, 167. So this ended at 131, which is higher at the 1 minute mark than this was to begin with. So there we have it. Yes, the 200 is indeed more powerful than the 100. Let's go ahead and kind of look at these side by side so you can see how they compare size-wise. I do want to point out that both of these air dusters were sent to me so I could make this video. My hope with this video is I can help you decide which one might be best for you. You can see the heads up here. The 200 is slightly larger as it is longer. As far as how it operates, it's basically identical. You have a power button, you press and hold. You've got 3 levels. On the top level, you have to press and hold the button for it to go. But if you're on, say, the second level, you can just press it and it will stay on. Or if you are on the first level, you can do the same thing where it will stay on. The nozzles are more or less the same on both units, and they do come with some extra nozzles. Another obvious difference with this is you cannot lay this down flat. With the 200, you can. Another major difference with this is it does have a removable battery. So you can charge this. If you buy a replacement battery, you can use one while this is charging, so you can get a lot more time. I tried to find information on the batteries on the 100. This is listed as 3,000 milliamp hours times 2, so 6,000 milliamp hours. But for some reason on the 200, this is listed at 22.2 watt hours. Now, depending on the voltage of this, it's hard to say which battery is larger. I'm going to just assume though that the WOLFBOX 200 has the larger battery, as it is indeed larger in just about every other way. So a lot of people might like the smaller size of the 100, but if you are going for sheer power, I would recommend the 200. Prices change all the time, so I will let you look up what the price difference is between the two. Either way though, I don't think you can go wrong with either of these air dusters. I have used this WOLFBOX air duster for a long time. It is certainly one of the most popular and best air dusters out there right now. I think the upgrades and improvements on the 200 are really nice. I absolutely love the fact that you can remove the battery. I wish more electronics did that. It adds a lot more life to this, that you can replace the battery. I think that is a smart move by WOLFBOX. I also like that this is flat, so if you wanted to turn it on the lowest level, put this on a desk, you could use this for helping paint to dry, for example. Or if you're doing something where you need to blow something away for a long time, this would be great for that. As far as general air dusting, leaf blowing, water blowing, whatever you want to use an air duster for, both of these work really well. One of those things that's just nice to have around when you need to do some quick dusting. You just turn this on. The 200 also comes with a couple of brushes, so that's a really nice way to get everything super dust free. You can use these on inflatable beds, use these outside for leaves or dirt or dust, use them inside for dust or helping to dry things off. These are fantastic air dusters.